Watude kod jafwambo marwa Millicent Adiao mantiere kono wawinje kaka chenro no dhi mbele.
You know, with these criminals in the local area, how CSS, is there a way we are complacent ourselves? Are we so unfriendly to the extent that the citizens cannot report those cases, or they don't trust us to report those cases? We will need to discuss that issue, because it's very sexual and gender-based violence is really a very serious issue, and it's affecting very young children. You know, yesterday has been, I'm sure it's been reported now, but I know we were briefed yesterday in Migori County. Can you imagine a 13-year-old girl going to school was not only defiled, but was also killed? It was Oma Bay, actually. Was that Oma Bay? Yeah, it was Oma Bay. It was Bita, actually. And and this is not, that is a case that has been reported. There are many cases that never get to go to the national level. And we are talking about children, some of them being defiled by their parents.